Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jehan. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch them. Wanted to test out some new makeup that I got recently. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you really should, because I literally post almost every day and I unboxed a lot of these products on my Instagram. So I wanted to create a look, because unboxing is one thing but actually trying them out on your face is another, and I created this look for you guys today. So really simple, nothing crazy at all. Yeah, just keep watching to watch the full tutorial, and don't forget to stay till the end and let me know what you think. So I am going to start with skincare, and since I'm trying out new makeup, I want to go ahead and try the Tatcha Pore Perfecting Sunscreen. Most of the stuff that I'm using I mentioned in my previous haul, so it's a video right before this. If you guys have any other requests and stuff that I mentioned in that video that you would like me to make videos, please let me know in that video so that I can go ahead and create that. And since this is pore perfecting, I am going to focus it right here under like my eyes and like the cheek area and a little bit on my forehead. Feels so nice on the skin. It's very like silky. I like it a lot. Okay, so for foundation today, this is going to be the second time I'm trying out this NARS foundation. It's called the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I'm not sure if this is new. It's new to me, but I found it at Ulta. I'm just going to take a few pumps of that. It doesn't really dispense a lot of product, but I always like to dot my foundation on my face. And I don't think it's a very natural foundation, so what I noticed the first time around, it's not super full coverage. You can definitely build it up. The very first layer is just going to give you a really pretty natural finish. So I'm going to use the Eco Tools sponge, and this is new. It's my second time using it as well, and I really like it, guys. It's such a nice foundation, like sponge, beauty sponge. I just really like this shape angle that it gives, because it feels really nice on the skin, just patting it in, and I feel like it really does a great job of blending. I'm just going to go ahead and keep one layer on. I feel like this foundation is a little bit light for me, so it's okay. I'll just go ahead and bronze up. But really like this sponge. I highly recommend it. And the last time I picked it up, which was right before the 20% off sale, they were having 40% off all of their like brushes and Eco Tools on the drugstore side, so like Real Techniques and all of that. And this baby was only $2.99, so $3 is really good for a sponge. Super affordable, and it's really nice. Now I am just going to prime my eyes. I'm just using the Milani can't talk. I'm just going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer and just focus it right here on the lids, and then just bring it up to my brow bone. Whenever you use eyeshadow primer, just make sure it's really well blended. You don't want it to be like blotchy on top of your lid. I've had a few friends ask me like how to use eyeshadow primer, and it's really the easiest thing, but if you don't know, if you don't know how to use it, it can make your eye look really bad. So mine's pretty much tacky already, and that pretty much means it's ready to go. So you see, it doesn't really look like I have eyeshadow primer on. So yeah, this is the one that I was using. So let's go ahead and do eyes. We are going to be using the MACxPatrickstarrr collection. I wanted to do Miso Fleek, the whole little bundle. This is what the box looks like. It's super gorgeous. I really fell in love with this collection. I did end up getting both, but for this video I picked Miso Fleek, which is the one with the really beautiful like blue and pink and all of these really nice shades. If you guys do want me to do the Miso Chic, like a look with that one, let me know please below, and I will gladly do that for you. But for today I am feeling very springy, so I really wanted to use this. I think I'm going to go in with that pink color and use that on my crease, and I am just taking a Morphe M504 brush, which is like a really fluffy crease brush, and haven't used pink in a long time, and this is very pigmented. I like it a lot. I'm kind of using this pink as like a transition color, so I'm definitely blending it upwards on my crease. Now I'm going to take a more defined crease brush, and this is the M506, and I'm going to go in with like this mauve color right here, and I am going to focus this on my actual crease and just kind of like on the outer corner as well, right here. And then just right below that pink color. These colors are stunning. Like, I think he did such a great job with this color selection. I love how they're blending in together. That's so nice. Now I'm going to go back with the previous brush and just kind of blend everything together, just so both colors blend in seamlessly and look really nice. I like how this shade deepened up the pink a little bit, so it's a little bit more wearable. I feel like it's so pretty and springy. Like, I haven't done color in a while, guys. Like, I've been very neutral as of lately. I feel like ever since I became a mom, I've been sticking to neutrals, but this is like so much fun. I have a Morphe 408, which is an eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna use this first and then top it off with the matte color. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit on my brush. This works best with your finger, but it does work really well with a brush too. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, and you can see it's super beautiful. I just want to focus it on the inner corner of my eye and then blend it into the lid. It's my favorite color that they came out with, Rosé but Tarte. Now I'm going to go in with this shade and just top it on top. And this is probably just going to give it like a more, yeah, it's definitely making it more pinky, which is fine. So pretty, I love it. Okay, so back with that fluffy brush, I'm just gonna go back in and then just blend really well. I do want a little bit more depth, so I'm gonna go back in with that dark mauve purple and just focus it back where we added it the first time. Park Avenue Princess palette, which is right here. It's super gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and go with Angle, which is right there. And I am going to use a Morphe R10. Alright guys, so now for the blush duo. This one's called Take Me Home, and super pretty. There's like two colors in here. It's more of like a purpley dusty rose color and then a lighter one. I might just mix them both. The way the brush that I am using for this is the M437 by Morphe as well. I mainly just use Morphe brushes. I have a few MAC ones and a lot of Anastasia because they always come with her shadows or her like palettes. Now for highlight, I want to use the Amrezy by Anastasia highlight. This will be my first time using it, and I'm super excited because it's gorgeous. I'm going to use the brush by Anastasia, which is the A23, and it is their highlighting brush. So I'm just going to grab a little bit right here. So the highlight is super gorgeous. I kind of blended it out just a little bit more just to make it a little bit more natural looking, but it's such a gorgeous highlight. I'm actually going to take a little bit of that highlight from my inner corner just with a small brush, and yes, that is really nice. Now I understand what the hype was, because this really is a gorgeous highlight. I'm going to grab this E36 brush. I really love for buffing underneath the eye. I'm gonna go back with that mauve matte shade and focus it right there. I do want to use a little bit of that blue, so I'm going to take a little bit of that blue too and just kind of blend it right on top. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go back in with that mauve color and place it right on top at the beginning just to kind of make it a little deeper. I don't think I'm gonna do eyeliner today, but let me go ahead and do my mascara and my brows, and we will return for the lips. Alright guys, so I went ahead and added mascara, did a little bit on my brows. I really need to get them done. I also, let me go ahead and mention this while we're here, I did use the LA Girl Ultimate Eye liner. This is, what color are you? This is super bright, it's 328. And it's just a really pretty nude liner. I went ahead and just tight lined underneath my eye. And then with the Buxom black gel liner, I tight lined at the top just so it looks a little bit more uniform and nicer. I love how this eye look turned out. I think it's really pretty and wearable at the same time. I just added a little bit of lip balm, but I am gonna take the Hey, I'm thinking of Moana. The Hey Boy Hey lipstick, which is a very pretty, like a magenta purple color. I love it so much. It's so pretty. So obviously this is a really, really gorgeous color, and I think it looks beautiful with the eyes. But I also want to show you like a nude lip option just so you kind of like, normally for me, I would do a pretty nude lip with this type of eye because I don't want them competing with each other. But in this case, I think it looks really pretty and really like summery and springy. Like I just want to wear a really beautiful floral sundress or something and be good to go. I don't think for today, since I'm not really doing anything crazy, I am probably just gonna go with a more nude lip. So let me grab stuff for that. But here's one look that I wanted to show you, and I think it's super gorgeous. Each kit does come with a dazzle glass as well, and this is super, super gorgeous. It is like a beautiful pink, like hot pink dazzle glass, and it does have a little bit of that blue and purple reflex glitter in there, which is so nice. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed this lipstick out of my collection. It's one of the new Kat Von D lipsticks called Divine, and it's a really pretty kind of pinky nude color. I gotta say, this color is super gorgeous, but this, like, I feel like, I don't know if the formula changed or something, but it's like making my lips look a little streaky, so I'm not really enjoying that. But I am gonna top it off with this Milani Shine lip color. It's in the color 01 Delight. If you saw my haul, this was highly recommended by one of my friends here on YouTube. Her name is Dana, and this will be the first time I'm trying it out. Yep, this definitely took away the streakiness and made it super glossy. I like this applicator too. It's kind of like slanted. It's kind of nice to really get a precise lip. This is pretty much the finished look. I am ready to go for the day, and I think it turned out super pretty. I love these colors. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos of me testing out new makeup, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And as always, any requests that you might have, I try my hardest to really bring out those videos. As many of you know, I am a full-time mommy, so time is kind of a luxury right now to actually put time and effort into these videos, and most of the time I do them really late at night whenever everybody is sleeping. I really hope you guys enjoy my hard work that I put into these videos. I really love making them, so I will continue to make them. All of my social media will be linked down below if you want to follow me on Instagram. I am on there pretty much daily. It's almost like vlogging to me, but a little easier. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping back to my channel. I will see you guys next time.